Hey guys, it's future me. So I'm an idiot and lost the beginning footage.
Okay, so as I was saying, The Ordinary, their packaging is really great. It's just like very minimalistic looking, and I think they're really affordable. And there's a lot of like beauty people that I follow, and a lot of the ingredients are really good for your skin. So I think that's a major plus, especially for an affordable skincare brand. The next item I got from their brand is the AHA 30% and BHA 2% peeling solution. It's a 10-minute mini facial exfoliating treatment. So I'm really excited because it's really hard to get high AHA percentage in an affordable skincare brand. So that's mainly why I gravitated towards this. And a lot of the products I got from The Ordinary specifically are their top rated products. So this is a facial like exfoliating thing, so that's why it's a weird blood red color. I got another heptapeptide, which I didn't realize until I got my order in, but it's by the Inky List, which is also the same price as The Ordinary, just about. And this one, it says ideal for mature skin, how to use, apply it in the morning and night, a pea-sized amount to face and neck, avoiding eye area. And this reduces the appearance of crepey skin, and it provides an instant blurring effect and reduces the appearance of fine lines and wrinkles. So it's just this, and it's a pump one, so this one I'm interested too. So my skincare routine will be definitely different, and I also wanted to do a review on this haul about what I think about a new skincare regimen and use these products for a good like probably a month, I'd say, and then get back to you on my rating and review about them. The next thing is a Bobbi Brown Remedies. This is a skin clarifier, and it's number 75. It says it's a purifiant and it's pore and oil control, so it just looks like this. And it's this, so I have to read up on how to use this as well. And it's nice because it's a pore and oil control, because I do have oily skin in my T-zone. I'm not sure if you can tell now, but normally I do. Another Bobbi Brown is the Vitamin Enriched Face Base, and this is one of their #1 sellers. I was really interested in trying this. It's an all-in-one primer and moisturizer. The only thing I wish it had was SPF, but it says built for all skin types and double duty. Our unique multitasking primer and moisturizer instantly hydrates, plumps, and soothes the skin, creating the perfect base for foundation. And this comes in a pretty big jar. Now, Bobbi Brown is pretty pricey, I'd say, but their stuff is actually really good. Another item I got was their eye cream, and I use that every day, and I absolutely love it. You only need a little bit, and it goes a long way. This is a face base. It's a pretty big jar, and it just looks like this. I'm not going to open it because I'm not using it right now. I'm going through another face primer, which actually has SPF. That's the only thing that is probably my biggest complaint for this, would be that it has SPF, because I either want my foundation or my base primer moisturizer to have SPF in it. The next is a hydrating gel cream, and since I have like a little bit of oily T-zone combo skin, I go towards the gel creams instead of like the lotions, because the lotions seem to be a bit too thick, but the gel creams are perfect for my skin type personally. And this is a hydrating gel. It's a water-based, lightweight gel cream, provides skin with a refreshing burst of moisture formulated with tropical grass extract, a natural skin conditioner, and a powerful enriched mineral water blend that hydrates, balances, and revives with ingredients found naturally in the skin. The result, skin feels perfect, smooth, plumped, and ready for a seamless makeup application. And this is what this one looks like. It's frosted. I absolutely love their like embossing on the top of theirs. I think it looks so bougie and so nice. The next thing I got is a Bobbi Brown lip color, and I feel like this was an extra for the online purchase. It was just like a bonus added to my order, and this is a Roseberry 27. So this is what it looks like. I absolutely love their lipsticks. I have one of them already, and they work so nice. They're creamy, and they're super pigmented, and they last long. They don't get patchy, and they don't bleed either on the lips, which I find is really important and helpful. the last two things I got is this Huda Beauty. These are all like sample. This is a sample packet. It's a Beauty Blender Pore Minimizing Primer. And I just wanted to try out a different primer. It's a foil packet. This was a 100-point perk, and it's the Beauty Blender Solid Pro one, and I actually like this. It's obviously an over-exaggerated, over-glorified soap bar in a circle, and it's super thin, as you can tell, but this works really well for beauty blenders or Real Technique knockoff beauty blender sponges, and I find that they're actually super useful and helpful for cleaning them, just because it's easier than like hand soap or something like that. And it's just easier to get in the crevices of your sponge. The next thing is, I think I didn't really order this because it's not something I would add as like a bonus item for mine, but it's a Huda Beauty, and it's the Demi Matte Lipstick, Cream Lipstick, and it's a pack. It's actually pretty cool. It looks like something that would be like a leftover from Valentine's Day, which is kind of weird, I think, to put as like an extra. I think they just ran out of stuff, so they decided to put this in. But A, it's not something I would choose because Huda Beauty, I think, is kind of overrated and overpriced. A lot of her stuff she has her face on, as you can tell. This is what I got, and it has all this samples for the lipsticks that she has in her Demi Matte line. And it says, peel off and apply with a lip brush. A, I don't really carry lip brushes, I don't really like them, and it's not something that's portable and useful. And I mean, it would be cute as like a Valentine's Day thing, but since that passed, but she had an allure box where she was like a guest person in, and they like did a collaboration with her, and just like reading about her and looking at like the items that she has, like, yeah, she has quality lashes and stuff like that, and her lip products sell really well, but I feel like it's like you don't need to put your face on every single thing you sell. And in that allure collaboration, there was a booklet that was about her, and there was like 10 images of her, and then on top of her lash thing there was a picture of her eyes, and then inside the lash thing there was another picture of her. It just seemed like very like narcissistic in a way, and I feel like it was turned me off to her products. But I'll definitely give these a try. I can definitely do a different kind of makeup look with them. I'm thinking about doing upcoming videos on like makeup tutorials, things like that. I just have some frustration with technical difficulties, trying to edit things and upload them. Sometimes things won't upload, so it's been kind of a disaster. But that is everything for my Sephora haul. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and just know that I'll definitely be posting more. I have a couple of ideas coming your way. I have a Shein haul, which I'm so excited to do. I ordered it like 2 months ago, but it's still relevant because it's summer clothes, and I was going to show you like side by side of me wearing it and also it on the website, and then the price breakdown and if I wanted to keep it or not. I did return one item just because of the window span of the return policy, but all the other ones should be really exciting to show you and to see like the size differences and to see if the reviews are really helpful in choosing that certain item. Sorry I'm not looking at the camera, I keep looking at my viewfinder and stuff like that, so my eyes are like going everywhere. Anyway, that is it. I hope you guys enjoyed this little mini Sephora haul and Bobbi Brown haul. So yeah, I hope to see you guys soon. Have a good one. Bye.